Joe. Don't get spotted. Don't get spotted. Come on. Don't get spotted. Come on. God damn! Oh! No! 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 God!
Hey, Rafa.
Yeah, Leo.
Look what I found.
What's that? What did you get at a post office?
No.
Jeez, Leo, I'm sorry.
I found it at somebody else, like near the sidewalk. I had no clue how packet got survived.
Oh, is it?
Let's see what's inside.
Leo, you can't do that.
Why?
Because that belongs to people who are supposed to deliver it.
Oh, come on.
Leo, just take it back what you find.
Rafa, come on. Let's open this thing.
Okay, Leo. A remote control.
Huh?
Why would he ship this controller?
I don't know.
Hey, what's this button do?
Rafa, don't touch that.
Button? Are you kidding me, Leo?
No, I didn't commit, Rafa.
What kind of remote control is this?
I don't know.
Wait a minute.
Rafa, what is it? What is it?
Hold on.
Rafa, what is it?
Leo,
What?
this is a teleporter controller.
Well, send that back to your home.
Leo, if I press this one, we're gonna find another place.
Rafa, just do it.
Leo, I don't want to do it.
Just give me a chance.
Okay. Okay. Do we have last words to say before I press this?
Rafa, I'll always be afraid for a long time ago.
I am too, Leo.
What the? Huh?
Wait a minute. What?
We're dead?
No, Leo, we're back.
Really?
Yes.
Oh, yes. Oh.
Oh my God, I can't believe that was a close call.
Now we can press again.
Leo.
Oh, yeah. Rafael, what do you think is gonna happen when you send other people?
Oh, don't worry. At least people can figure out the fates.
Okay.
Oh my God, I'm starving. Are you?
Yeah, I'm hungry.
Okay, then let's go. Wait a minute. What?
Sail, my love has failed to stand